Hey everybody, Bitterman here in sunny Southern California. The bigwigs back at the beer factory have me handing out samples of Rampant today. On a pirate ship.
Welcome aboard the Treasure Seeker and Pirate Ship Adventures here in San Diego. Now there's plenty of adventure ahead, but right now the galley is open. Time to find something to steady your nerves. Yeah, beer.
Hey everybody, I'm Bitterman from New Belgium. Today I'm tasting some Rampant Imperial IPA. This is a super dry and hoppy IPA, chock full of mosaic and calypso hops with tons of peach and citrus overtones. 8.5% ABV carrying 85 IBUs. Super dry finish on this wonderful IPA.
Oi! What are you doing down here, Mr. Fancy Pants? Look at you, all in blue. You're not even wearing a pant and shirt. You looks like you're wearing a onesie.
Avast, you bilge-rats! There's only one way to settle dispute on this ship. The pirate way.
Do you have any 7